What are we doing today, Carl?
We have my wife's beautiful 2013, 2014, something like that, Toyota Corolla named Richie, after Lionel Richie, and we're getting rid of these faded, clumsy headlights and making this thing look more Lexus, less Toyota. And being able to see at night is also a benefit.
We're really pulling out all the performance cars for you guys. Welcome to Our Car Garage. What's up, people? We're back. We got the headlights. Kyle, how are these things gonna work? And what's in the box?
We're spending money, and we're spending my wife's money. This is the best kind of money. We have brand new headlights from V-Land. I'm trying to show it off, not doing well. It has headlights in it, replacing factory, not terrible looking, little cloudy, not very bright headlights. For these, here, you hold this.
This is what they paid for.
Yeah.
All you kids in your unboxing videos.
Young hip kids with your things. Ooh, there's the new.
Ooh, this is the first time I've actually seen them.
Fancy. They got plastic on it. You'll get a little better picture as they go on. But projector, LEDs, I've already installed bulbs. It came with some, installed them at home while they were out because that's the easiest time to install them. Basically, we're gonna put it in and see how it works. I don't know what we're gonna have to do for cutting. If anything, they were a very good deal, so I'm sure they're not gonna fit very well. But we're gonna try. Maybe V-Land's just on it, quality and price.
If I'm involved and it's a Garb Car video, there will be significant amounts of struggling.
Yes.
So stay tuned for much struggling. But the one thing to say about these headlights is nothing makes a car look newer than a set of black housing headlights. I'm super excited to get these on. I know Kyle's super excited to get these on. Emily may just be regular excited to get them on, but we're super excited. So let's, what's the first step? We're gonna get the hood open?
We're gonna get the hood open, we're gonna get the bumper off and see where we have to go from there. Let's make this car look 10 years newer.
So what am I getting? The Sawzall?
Right, no.
Sawzall
Stay away from the car.
Sawzalls all the time. All right, so this bumper is gonna come off with some basic hand tools. Kyle, what do you got?
I have, well, basic, this electric 3/8 ratchet with a 10mm socket, so a regular 10mm socket.
Super basic.
Super basic. Side cutters in case any of the plastic retainers are too persistent, and an actual trim removal tool, plastic pusher, tool remover.
It removes the tools and plastic things.
Yeah, what's the name for that?
It's a trim tool.
Trim tool, okay. I'm gonna start on the bottom on this. There's two 10mm on the bottom shield, work my way up the fender, and then I'll pop the hood and do the top.
25 laps.
This one actually comes out. I won't break this one.
Oh, here's a flathead.
No, go away. This is supposed to work. I said it was, this is all you need. I can't lie to the people here. So, and then you gotta give it a little rip and tear there. We're losing. I don't think that was good. I think that was supposed to come out. I can't be upset because it's my wife's car. Back to the time lapse!
This is where it's not going good.
I had to do this to most cars because they always break and strip. I don't know why they put it on because there's literally a 10mm right next to it. This is what
So
I
we're
did.
resorting to extractors to remove these.
Toyota does great things. This, I don't understand why. I need power tools because I'm lazy. Yay, one. Ouch, win.
Hashtag winning, as the kids say today.
Another one. Where? Oh, this gotta come up. Oh goodness, that's in there. That was satisfying. Ripping and tearing. Oh, ooh, sounds like a race car. Oh yeah. Out with the old, in with the new. Together and do this now. Yeah, buddy. I'm keeping these in case. I was gonna throw them out, but in case the new ones are wrong or bad. Where do they plug? How soon do we get to play? Time to match them up. That's gonna be a stretch. Then I can pull this one. Yeah, that's where the magic's had. Pull a little slack in that. I should have probably read the instructions. That's a 2-wire, but a 3-prong connect. I'm getting nervous that this isn't gonna work now, Dave.
It's 80% of the way, so it's still considered a success.
I guess. I think I'm gonna take that plug out of there. I had high hopes that this was just gonna go in and be perfectly fine. And now I'm getting concerned of what's actually happening.
We haven't got the side cutters to cut any wires yet, and we're not splicing, so it's still somewhat a win.
You did? Gotta stretch them out. I think that's it. I'm in your way. But
Let's just see what it looks like. No, not till it's done.
I'll
get the headlight mounted in. Very good chance we're gonna have to get the die grinder out to grind some of the plastic off.
don't say that.
Always grind, never return.
Replacing headlights in this is removal of the bumper now. This is a lot of force. I'm very concerned. Please?
Lights are installed and surprisingly fully functional.
You had to rework some of the position of the wires. I'm very happy. Looks fantastic. Lines are crisp and clean across.
Almost Lexus quality. Well, almost Lexus look.
Appearance, yeah.
Quality-wise, fitment, about what you'd expect for a cheaper aftermarket headlight. It still did go in. The lines are decent on it. It fits nicely in the housing. Doesn't fit as well as the OE.
No.
It's close.
I'm thrilled. Price was perfect. It looked great. It worked well.
What more can you ask for? So, I'd like to thank everyone for taking the time to watch us today. I'd like to thank DJ Smokey for being the exclusive music provider here at Garb Car Garage. Kyle? Yes.
Like and subscribe.
If you're not
Do the
subscribed,
thing with the button clicks.
It helps us, or else we can't buy any more headlights.
You can tell I haven't been in this for a while. I don't remember my lines.
But there is a ton of cool stuff coming. Beamer, Fiat, Civic, Subi, some other stuff that we've got planned.
Bought miscellaneous vehicles too.
There's a lot of crap we brought.
Yeah.
So stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye. That's all, folks.